Okay.
Hi everyone, today I will explain to you about Internet Protocol version 6. Internet Protocol version 6 or IPv6 is the large address space that contains information to route packets for the next generation Internet. IPv6 also can support 128-bit IP address compared to IPv4 that only can support 32-bit IP address. Now we go to Wireshark. Click Capture Options. Choose interface that you use. I use Wi-Fi and click Start. Now we have all the packet with different protocols here. To get the IPv6 result, we go to filter and type IPv6 and press enter. Now you can see here all the result of IPv6. I choose the first one, click here, and that we can see here the frames of IPv6 here. I click Internet Protocol version 6, which is IPv6 address. This is IPv6 address. IPv6 address are denoted by 8 groups of hexadecimal quarters separated by colons between them. This is a colon, different to IPv4 that separated by dot. You can see here double colon here. Any 4-digit group of zeros within an IPv6 address may be reduced to a single zero or altogether omitted. Here is altogether omitted, therefore it be double coloned. That's all from me. IPv6 address.
Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about HTTP. So, what is HTTP? HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. The HTTP is an application layer protocol that allows web-based applications to communicate and exchange data. It is a TCP/IP based protocol. There's three important things you have to know about HTTP. The first thing is HTTP is connectionless protocol, which means after making the request, the client disconnects from the server. Then, when the response is ready, the server is reconnected to the clients again. The second thing is the HTTP can deliver any sort of data as long as the two computers are able to read it. And the last thing is the HTTP is a stateless protocol. The client and server know about each other just during the current request. If it is closed and the two computers want to connect again, they need to provide information to each other anew, and the connection is handled as the very first one. Next, I will show you how to use the Wireshark to cache the HTTP. The first thing we need to do is open the Wireshark. After that, we select the Wi-Fi interface and click on the Start button. Next, we use the filter to capture the HTTP protocol package. Since there is no HTTP protocol package, so we try to send a request to a server. I send a request to a ulen. So after that, we stop the capture and we select the first package. So from the first package, we can see that there's a 554 byte capture. This is the package size. And the next is Internet 2. This is the data link layer. The SRC is stand for source and the DST is stand for destination. So here this indicate the MAC address of my computer, and the destination indicate this is the MAC address of the router I'm using now. And the next is Internet Protocol version 4. So from here we can see a similar source and destination. So the source is indicate the IP address of my laptop, and the destination is indicate the IP address of the ULAN. And next is the transmission control protocol, which is in the transport layer. So from here we can see that the source port, destination port, all of things is we are not going to talk about. The source port is generated by the machine within a given range. We are not going to talk about. So the last one is hypertext transfer protocol. So from here we can see the get login index. The get is the method we use to request the server to respond, and the login index.php is the URL, and the host is ulan.utem.edu.my. The connection is keep alive. So from here we can see the user agent. It shows that the Mozilla 5.0 Windows, and the processor is 64-bit architecture, and also the Chrome and the version I'm using now. So this indicate my computer situation and my browser I'm using now. And below there is the full request URL. So this is my tutorial. Thank you for watching.
Okay, hello everyone, this is Hazi. Today I will going to explain about FTP. FTP is a file transfer protocol. Okay, the file transfer protocol is a standard network protocol used to transfer computer files between a client and server on computer network. Briefly, this is a definition of the FTP. So I'm going to show you how to capture FTP on a Wireshark. First of all, we will request FTP on the network. Okay, now, by using command prompt, we will type this one. For example, I will take FTP and make fv.com. Okay. Now, the FTP is running on the screen in the Wireshark. Okay. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Farhan. I will show you how to analyze ping by using a Wireshark. First of all, I will explain about a ping. What is ping? Ping, known as a packet internet grouper, it used to verify whether a network data packet is being distributed to an address without errors. It works by sending a packet to specific address and waiting for a reply. Okay. Now I will show you how to ping by using Wireshark. First of all, open the application. Then choose what we want to capture. And I choose Wi-Fi because I want to capture everything going out from the internet. Okay. So click here. Filter ICMP. open command prompt. We type a website what we want to ping. As example, Facebook. Okay. Type ping, then Facebook website. Okay. Ta-da! It will reply 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. What we request also 4 times. As example here, this is the source. It respond 251.288 millisecond. This is data, and the data is 32 bytes. Okay, thank you.